In today's construction world, managing equipment across multiple job sites, warehouses, and yards is a challenge that can quickly spiral into chaos. Without a unified system, equipment can be overbooked, underused, or left idle, costing your business time and money. But with a unified construction equipment management software, you can transform that chaos into control, all within one platform. With real-time data, you get a complete overview of your assets. Whether it's excavators, cranes, hammers, or drills, you know exactly where everything is and how it's performing. This means no more guessing. With accurate data, you can make better decisions, optimize equipment usage, and drive higher ROI from your assets. Your entire team stays in sync, from warehouse managers to site supervisors, ensuring smooth, efficient operations across the board. With unified construction equipment management software, keep your projects on time, on budget, and always moving forward.